In this video, I will be showing you how to cook a holiday ham with honey fireball glaze. Let's go. First, preheat your oven or prep your smoker to 225 degrees. Combine 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of ancho chili. Season ham generously and throw into an aluminum cooking tray. Place in the oven or smoker for 4 hours and 30 minutes. Grab a small saucepan and combine 1 stick of butter, 1 jar of peach preserves, 3 shots of Fireball cinnamon whiskey. Combine the ham mixture and 2 tablespoons of honey. Cook at medium to low heat until the ingredients are blended together. Cover and set aside. Pull the ham out of the oven or smoker. Top the ham with honey fireball glaze mixture. Place back into the oven or smoker for an additional 30 minutes. Finally, pull the ham out, slice and serve. Thank you for watching and happy holidays, y'all.